Welcome to this session on FinOps Strategy 1, Granular Cost Reporting. In today's cloud-centric world, understanding where your money goes is paramount. This strategy focuses on breaking down complex cloud costs into understandable, actionable segments. We'll explore how granular reporting by namespace, team, and application empowers organizations to gain unprecedented visibility into their cloud spending. This isn't just about cutting costs, it's about optimizing value, fostering accountability, and enabling data-driven decisions. By the end of this lesson, you'll grasp the critical importance of this approach and how it forms the foundation for effective FinOps practices, ultimately leading to more efficient resource utilization and better business outcomes. Many organizations struggle with cloud cost sprawl, where overall spending increases without clear attribution. Imagine a massive cloud bill where everything is lumped together. It's impossible to tell which team, project, or application is driving specific costs. This lack of transparency leads to wasted resources, budget overruns, and frustration. Without granular reporting, identifying areas for optimization becomes a guessing game, hindering innovation and strategic planning. We need a way to move beyond a high-level summary and pinpoint exactly who is spending what and on which services to truly take control of our cloud finances and ensure every dollar delivers value. Let's dive into the first dimension, namespace. In containerized environments, namespaces provide logical isolation for resources like Kubernetes pods, services, and deployments. Assigning costs to namespaces allows teams to see the expenditure directly related to their isolated environments. This is particularly powerful in multi-tenant clusters or environments where different projects or stages, dev, test, prod, share infrastructure. By segmenting costs at this level, platform teams can better manage resource allocation and charge back to specific projects or environments, ensuring that the development team for Project Alpha understands their namespace's consumption, distinct from Project Beta. Next, we consider the team dimension. Assigning costs to specific development or operations teams is crucial for fostering financial accountability. When a team can clearly see the direct financial impact of their infrastructure choices, it encourages more mindful resource provisioning and architectural decisions. This allows for internal chargebacks or showbacks, where teams are either billed or shown their cloud spend. For example, if the back-end engineering team is responsible for a particular service, their cost report should reflect only their services consumption, not the entire organization's. This transparency empowers teams to optimize their own spending. The third critical dimension is application. This involves tagging and attributing costs to individual applications or microservices. Understanding the total cost of ownership for a specific application, from its databases and compute instances to its network egress, is vital for product managers and business stakeholders. It helps them make informed decisions about an application's profitability, its potential for scaling, or even its sunsetting. For instance, knowing that e-commerce checkout service costs $5,000 per month compared to recommendation engine at $1,500 enables strategic resource allocation and optimization efforts targeted at high-cost applications. With granular reporting in place, organizations gain powerful insights for cost optimization. By knowing exactly which namespaces, teams, or applications consume the most resources, it becomes straightforward to identify areas of waste. This enables targeted actions, such as right-sizing instances, optimizing storage, or identifying idle resources. For example, if a dev namespace is found to be 30% over-provisioned, the team can scale it down, leading to significant savings. Granular data transforms vague cost-cutting mandates into precise, actionable steps, directly impacting the bottom line. Beyond direct cost savings, granular reporting significantly boosts accountability and operational efficiency. When teams are shown their specific cloud spend, they become more financially aware and proactive in managing resources. This shifts the culture from merely consuming to owning the financial impact. It also streamlines budgeting and forecasting, as predictions can be made with far greater accuracy based on historical spend per team or application. For instance, a clear report showing a 20% reduction in unallocated spending due to better tagging encourages widespread adoption of FinOps best practices, fostering a more efficient and cost-conscious engineering culture. Implementing granular reporting requires the right tools and techniques. Cloud providers offer native tagging and labeling mechanisms, e.g., AWS tags, Azure tags, and GCP labels, which are foundational. Beyond native tools, FinOps platforms and cost management solutions like Cloud Health, Apptio Cloudability, or homegrown solutions aggregate and visualize this data. The key technique is consistent tagging hygiene. Every resource must be consistently tagged with its associated namespace, team, and application. Automating tagging where possible and establishing clear policies and guardrails are essential to maintain the integrity of your cost data. While powerful, implementing granular reporting comes with challenges. A common hurdle is inconsistent or missing tags, which can skew reports. To mitigate this, establish clear tagging policies, conduct regular tag audits, and implement automated enforcement. Best practices include defining a consistent taxonomy for your tags, ensuring cross-functional collaboration between engineering, finance, and product teams, and starting small with a pilot project before scaling. Remember, FinOps is a cultural journey as much as it is a technical one, requiring continuous iteration and improvement. Aim for 90% tag compliance to achieve meaningful insights. In conclusion, FinOps strategy number 1, granular cost reporting by namespace, team, and application, is not just a nice-to-have, it's a fundamental requirement for effective cloud financial management. It transforms opaque cloud bills into transparent, actionable insights, empowering every stakeholder to make better decisions. By adopting this strategy, you lay the groundwork for a mature FinOps practice that drives efficiency, accountability, and ultimately greater business value from your cloud investments. Your next step should be to assess your current tagging strategy and identify areas for improvement. Start small, iterate, and continuously refine your approach.